Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you some eye candies that are coming for the Chanel 21B Fall Winter Act 1. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Antoinette. I post videos every week about luxury handbags, reviews, updates, and tips, as well as lifestyle, fashion, and travel videos. If you're into that kind of video, if you would consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. So for today's video, I would like to give you an update for the 21B collection that's coming. It's gonna launch on July the 20th. So I posted a video about a couple of weeks ago about the 21B and the 21K collection, and I have gotten so many requests if I could do a 21B collection alone, and so that's why. And this is gonna have a little bit more photos as far as what's coming up. So I'm so excited to share this with you. And of course, if I get more updates for the 21B collection, I'll surely let you know and update you here. And also you could follow me on Instagram at always Antoinette, and if you have any question, you could DM me. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. So before I show you the slideshow for the 21B collection, let me just give you a little bit of kind of highlight for this collection. So first of all, this is gonna have a lot of grays. So there's gonna be a light gray like the 21A collection. As you all know, I did get a Chanel 19 21A, and so the 21B will have two shades of gray. So it's gonna have the dark gray as well as the light gray. And to be honest, I'm really happy that I got the light gray from the 21A. I think that is more of a neutral color. I could really match it more with my outfits versus the darker gray, but I haven't seen the darker gray. I just saw them on the pictures. So as far as I know, there's going to be a Chanel 19 in a darker gray as well as some of the classic flaps. And there's also going to be like burgundy. I see a lot of boy bags. I see a lot of different styles for the Chanel 19. So that's going to be exciting for the 21B collection. However, there's not going to be a new cocoa handle colors for this collection. So the cocoa handle will not have any of these new colors according to my SA, and I think that explains why the cocoa handle did not go up in price on this last price increase. And to be honest, I'm still heartbroken after the price increase. I'm really not getting anything for the 21B collection. However, I have more surprises to show you. I'm supposed to upload an unboxing video today. I thought that this is more important. I should share this with you, the 21B collection, as it is going to be launched pretty soon on July the 20th. And really, to be honest, the way to get these bags is that you contact your sales advisor ahead of time. If your sales advisor will tell you we won't carry those bags, then you should try and contact other sales advisor. And if you're in the United States and you have a Chanel purchase history, meaning that you have purchased from Chanel before, you have purchased a handbag or an SLG, DM me on Instagram and I'll be more than happy to share my sales advisor if you're in the United States. However, you do need a Chanel purchase history because that's how it works right now. All right, so again, there's no cocoa handle for this collection. However, 21K will have some new colors for the cocoa handle, and I'm really guessing that that's when the cocoa handle will increase in price. I'm sure that the cocoa handle will go up when 21K launch. So without further ado, let's get started and see what's coming up for the 21B collection.